everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to your second instalment of a video tonight. I've just uploaded one on the FLG so you can sit and watch that one and then you can jump straight onto this one. Now this one is called Protect Your Paintwork. So if you're a painter and you want to protect your paintwork that you've just painted like we are doing with the e-bike, this has just been painted. So we've got the mudguard painted, got the side panels, the top casing there, the bottom casing, the forks have been painted, double crowns painted. We've got the custom panel to the side so that can have some coating on it. So a lot of this bike has been custom painted, clear coated. I've polished it, denibbed it on most of it. It could do with a little bit more finessing, but it's good enough. I'm going to get some protection on it. So the one I'm going to review today for you guys is one I picked up because my products were running low, and it's either you jump in the car and go to Halfords, or whenever you're shopping, you could be in Lidl, wherever, and you just see a little product on the side and you think, ooh, it's like catches your eye. This one caught my eye. It's by Carplan. I first picked up the first bottle, which was the Super Gloss, which is this one. Carplan #1 Super Gloss. 10-minute treatment lasts to 12 months. Well, I can't see it lasting 12 months, not with the UK weather that we have. 1 minute you got sun, the next minute you got snow, then you got rain. There's no way that's going to last 12 months. But for a quick blast over on a Sunday on your car to get the gloss levels up and make it look nice and shiny, it works. And it did work on the car. So I've been using that one. Then I needed to get some shampoo. The shampoo that I usually use was probably like a turtle wax wash and wax, which I think is pants. So I went to the Carplan again thinking, well, if that Super Gloss is quite good, what's their car wash like? So I picked up some of this one, which is the #1 Super Clean streak free finish car shampoo. Now I've washed the car three times and the wife's car, and we've used that much out of the bottle. This is a 600ml bottle. This was about £8. Now I can recommend that, guys. I used a 2-bucket method when I washed the car, dropped about 50ml of that in, filled it up with warm water, gave it a couple of blasts with a jet wash just to foam it up, and the foam soap suds lasted. They lasted throughout the 20-minute wash of the car. They don't like disappear and it goes back to clear water in the bucket. They stayed there. They stayed on the car while you were washing it. So it really works and it gave it a good clean. So then I brought another Carplan product thinking, well, the Super Gloss is pretty good. The car wash is pretty good. What's this going to be like? Now, this is the one we're going to be reviewing today. It is the Super Ceramic. Now, there's loads of different ceramic coatings. You can buy little bottles of it that cost like 70 quid, and I think, no. So I thought, Super Ceramic, I'll give it a go. This was £18. Now, I did the car 2 coats with this. Now, when I put it on the car, it says nice and easy, shake the bottle, apply it straight to the panel, buff it off with a microfiber, or you can apply it with a microfiber and then buff it off with a microfiber. So I did the car in it and I noticed the gloss levels were better, it was shinier, but the slickness of the paint was crazier, guys. It really was. So it's definitely putting a coating on there. I tried like the water bead test and the water just ran straight off it, so it's got some protection. How long it lasts, I don't know, but to get your car super slick or your bike super slick, looking shiny, give it a bit of protection at £18 for a 600ml bottle. It's worth it. It's worth it all day long. So we're going to chuck some on this today. Going to spray it over, get some on the rims, get them protected front and back because they're painted up gloss black. We'll get the mudguard done, the side panels, wherever I can get this Super Ceramic coating, we'll get it on there, apart from the tyres. So I'll stick it on the tripod and we'll get some of this Carplan #1 Super Ceramic applied to the e-bike. So it's saying shake the bottle, job done. I've not got my glasses, and that print there is ridiculously small, but I have read it with glasses on, so you can apply it directly to the panel. Clean microfiber. That one's clean enough, and you are basically buffing it on and taking it off, sort of thing. So you're basically doing that, and you will notice when you do this on your panel, you will then feel how slick it starts to get under the microfiber when you're buffing it on. It really does make the paint feel slick, guys, when you put this stuff on. So that's on, there's no streaks, it's not left any hazing, you don't need to leave it on and wait for it to cure, you just spray it on, buff it off, job done. And that's what I like about it, it's nice and quick. There's nothing worse than doing your car or your bike. I did this in bright sunlight as well, and it probably says don't do it in sunlight, but I did it in sunlight on the front on the car, and it wasn't a problem at all. It went on and came off dead easy. So it's nice and quick. You don't want to be standing on the front of your house, because some people do. They like cleaning their cars with a toothbrush. I like to just get it washed off, whack some protection on it, and you've got the rest of the day to yourself. Why waste 8-9 hours on your paintwork when you can blast it with this stuff? Job done. So a bit on the forks, quick buff off, and it's nice and quick, and that's what I like about it. A bit on the rim. And it does bring the gloss levels out really well. It really does. I mean, I know this is freshly painted, and you've seen this on the channel, so the gloss levels are high on it, but it does make a difference when you add some stuff like this to it, guys. It really does. Just gives it that little bit of extra protection and brings the gloss out. Bit on the mud guard. Wipe that across the swing arm, and you just feel it underneath the actual microfiber when you do it. As I say, it just starts to feel slicker and slicker and slicker with the application. So it's obviously doing something. So that will do for them bits. Just a quick, we'll get some on a microfiber like that, we'll just wipe over the crank arm. I mean, you're not going to make this shiny because it's the actual coating is different, but it's a bit of protection on that at the end of the day, and that's what it's about, to protect your paintwork. So we'll move around this side, blast a bit on the side. It reminds me when you put it on like a glass cleaner does, and when you put a glass cleaner on and you buff it with a cloth and it don't leave any streaks and things like that, it sort of does the same sort of things like a glass cleaner, but it's adding that little bit of protection there. So that's nice, done. Bit on the microfiber again. Little wipe over that swing arm. Bit on this side of the rim. Bit there, and it just goes a long way. Just buff that bits off. So a quick blast. I'm not gone full on OCD on this and gone around every intricate piece. It's just a quick wipe on, wipe off, gives it a clean, gives it a bit of protection. And it's this stuff, Super Ceramic by Carplan. Gets a thumbs up from me, guys. It works. I've applied it to the car and it works on the car, so I thought, right, give you a little video, show you what the product's like, get it on the e-bike. So we've got the paintwork. It's had a bit of protection on it, and that's what you got to do, especially when you're doing custom painting. You want that paintwork to last. Just keep protecting it with that stuff. This e-bike will get cleaned, and that will get applied every single time this bike gets cleaned down. It will have that stuff on it, just over the paintwork, and just for peace of mind, just keeps it protected. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's absolutely sweltering in here. As you know, today's been really hot. I think I should open this door. But it's been really, really hot. It is cooking up in here today because I painted the floor yesterday in yesterday's video, so we're a bit squeaky because it's all fresh and clean. But it's just nice to come into a clean studio. So that's the Carplan. Recommended. Yes, thumbs up, guys. B&M, definitely do it. I think Halfords do it. Get it online. You might get it online cheaper, but £18. It's worth it all day long. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.